Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I am here today with a Not Too Shabby Day project, and I have quite the project today. I am putting together 3 tags and 1 gift card little project. So I am using the Not Too Shabby products. I am using Sweet Valentine Wishes, and I am using sorry about that. I am using the Sweet Valentine stamp set, as well as some stamps and dies from my stash. And I am using the Sweet Valentine Wishes ephemera. So I am going to go to a voiceover as I put my tags together, mainly so I can speed it up because I've got quite the projects here to do today. And I hope you enjoy my video. So let's get into it.
Okay, I'm starting with tag number 1, and I have used some of the plaid paper for this tag, and I used a tag die from my stash, and I used a border die across the bottom. I'll show you that detail here in just a second. I used a heart die. I colored up the cupcake from the stamp set, and I paper pieced the bottom of this cupcake. And so I'm just going to get this all kind of assembled. I was trying to figure out where to put it on the tag, and so these tags will be included with my nursing home donations for Valentine's Day. If you don't know, because this is going up on the Not Too Shabby channel, and you may not know this, but I donate cards and projects to 3 different nursing homes during holiday months, and other months just to 1 nursing home. So I am moved on to my second tag, and the little embellishment you see at the top of the previous tag and this one are some like rosebud strips, fabric strips that I've had. I used them in some scrapbooking at one time, and so I just thought, let's pull those out and let's use some of this stuff up. This is the largest tag die I have, and I pulled out some pink and red sheer dotted ribbon and trying to center it there so to show you how I tie my bows. And so I just cut it and put it at the top of this tag. I didn't feel like these tags needed a hole in them, since they're just going to be part of like a card. I did not do this yet, but I am going to put a piece of white on the back of each one of these tags for where the staff of the nursing home can write their message. So on this one, I used a little piece of ephemera. I colored up my cupcake as a little chocolate cupcake with some wonderful, yummy red frosting on the front of it, on the top of it. And so here is my gift card holder project. This project was quite fiddly, and but I enjoyed doing it. So I am sorry I'm off camera here. I am putting my little gift card cutout in the inside the card. I am putting some score tape on here I'm covering the whole front of the card with this score tape because I cut all the little different patterns out with some border dies that I have. And so I'm getting this score tape all over the front of them so I can just lay them all out. And for you. But I will tell you, this was quite fiddly to get that cut off and get it even. So, but I finally got it. Okay, so I'm going to pull all the release paper off and then start laying out these strips. So let me tell you about the bundle while you watch me lay out these strips, because you don't need to hear me talk about these strips. I used the border die that I used were some diamonds, and so I just had to make sure that each and I fiddled with this too because sometimes I didn't get them all straight. I just had to make sure they butted up against each other real nicely. So this is the I Want It All bundle. It comes with a 6x6 paper pad. It comes with the Sweet Valentine Wishes stamp set that I showed. It comes with a package of Sweet Valentine Wishes ephemera, and it comes with a stencil that I did not show. I haven't even used this stencil yet. And I also created a couple of other projects, or at least one other project with this that I will link in the description box down below so you can see that project. And there are only a handful of these left. So what a fabulous paper pad little collection put together to make some Valentine cards. So if you haven't got your supplies to make your Valentine cards yet, I suggest you run right over to Jamie's shop and you pick up these this little collection. It is adorable, and when it's gone, it's gone. So anyhow, getting all of this all trimmed up. And if I had it to do over again, I think I would have used my paper trimmer to trim these up rather than using a pair of scissors, because it was not quite what do I want to say? It just didn't trim out very nicely. Trying to clean up my mess there and get it out of the way. And if I had it to do over again, I would put some ink. I would do some ink blending, at least on the edges of this white circle. But anyhow, so I decided to pop up my little coffee cup there. It says "I love you, a latte," and it's to go with the inside of the card where I put the little gift card holder. And this is going to be my daughter's Valentine card, and I will be putting in a gift card for Starbucks, her favorite coffee restaurant or coffee place, and give that to her for Valentine's Day. I also, along with my nursing home card donations, give my all of my grandchildren and all of my children, I send them a Valentine's card. Well, they all live kind of close except for a few of them. So that's where my gift card's going to go. And let me get all this cleaned up for you, and then I'll show you all four of the cards together, the 3 tags and the card. So here are all the projects together, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!